Here with Mike Lewis, Aber Town goalkeeper, 2-0 draw tonight. Your thoughts?
Disappointed, to be honest, mate. I think all the boys are quite frustrated, really. I know we didn't really perform, which isn't ideal, so definitely 2 points lost tonight, I think, mate.
So you're now 4 games unbeaten. How was your thoughts?
Yeah, not bad, but I think it's difficult to say at the moment, to be fair, because I think we're really disappointed, more frustrated more with ourselves, really. We didn't play well, which is very unlike us, but that point could be valuable come 6-7 days games time when we're in the top 6. So just wait and see, really, mate. I think like I say, it's really early days. Disappointed, but who knows? It could be a point gained. We'll
how relieving is it? A last-minute own goal.
Yeah, it's great. It's nice to have nice to get in. We thought we lost, been beaten, to be fair, mate, but we battled hard. We keep going, never say die attitude, and it was a great ball by Benners, and it was nice to see Les head one in the wrong goal for a change, to be fair, mate.
So now, is the target to nail down second place in the league above Airbus, or just to stay in the top 6 and keep that spot?
Well, we've got a team goal, but we can obviously keep that in-house. Obviously we want to finish as high as we can. Our home record's quite formidable, so keep that going, just to pick up some more wins away from home. So definite. I think we've showed our credentials as definite sort of top 3, top 4 team. So I think we need to keep this unbeaten run going and go from there, really.
It's now a week next week, so cup action against Druids.
Yeah, difficult game, really difficult game. Good team. It's never easy, but we just come out and said now we want to get to the Welsh Cup final again. So we won't be taking it lightly, and hopefully go over there, get the win, and progress to the next round.
Started off season with a 5-0 win against Druids away, so is that going to happen again?
I don't know. It was 4-2. Obviously, I didn't play the game a few weeks ago. I don't think it'll be that easy. It wasn't an easy game. Then we just played very well, to be fair. It was their first game in the Welsh Prem, so I wouldn't expect. I think it's a big, tight game. We're not going to underestimate them at all. So we'll just do some training now, Tuesday, look at them, analyse them, and then hopefully get the right team formation and do the job on Saturday.